Being kind of crazy over here. Looks like Knight's trying to do damn school again. All that room. Yeah. Get another loaner truck. This one's a little better. Other ones go to the dealership. But it's pretty efficient. See how I like it. Inside, there's one local company has a bunch of these new ones. And they're green. I like green. But yeah, my truck might be fixed by Thursday. They're replacing all the injectors. Again, I can't get a clear answer. We got the service writer is a complete tool. And I'm saying all they have to do is service manager get a hold of me. If it never happens, I'm gonna call him tomorrow. And call him tomorrow and see his ass out. So hey, every time you tell me something, I'll call you back and tell me back next week. I come from the club being a liar, so I don't trust you.
Stop right there.
But I'm coming down there. I'll be down there, we'll talk. They're trying damn Christian. They're saying Christianity is a Christian. Got me a better loaner. Of course, it's the oldest thing they got, but it's better than what I've been getting. It runs. Seat isn't just that great. I like to pull straight back up, come up and high, it shows the hood. But let's see how this thing goes. It's a wider truck. Hopefully I don't screw it up. If it goes pretty good, it might just end up be working for somebody else. And just say, you know, it's really worth what I'm going through. It means getting a truck that's going to be down for the injectors replaced. Not for how much. I don't know, it's not anything about. You know, what are we fighting for? Hot damage Vietnam. Fighting for a way of life. Because if the dollar doesn't become the petrodollar, we're screwed. So those other countries that want to change it are our enemy. They want to destroy our way of life. Think about it that way. But this is what we got here. I mean, you've seen other truck tours and whatnot. You know, a lot of Dodge Freightliner. Yay. I guess I could, let's see this different. I'd rather be maybe this straight. I don't know. I get used to it. Do something different. But I can't get logged in there, so I'm on computer. I'm on paper still. Which oh well. I'll be all right. No one will be picked on. So I don't know. This is Salt Lake City terminal. Throw down it. Used to have more parking over here, but now it's almost the same thing that oh hey, good. That's not a good sign. I'm gonna be a Terraborn Ranger. As long as you don't get the class size too well, ain't let me slide these things over. I'm trying to get the thing to focus in, focus out. I love technology. Oh, I guess it told me to piss off because I got the other stuff that I think it forgot. But is that the sure small space for school? Cause how lucky I was being able to go to ASU over in Newport. There were like 20 to 30 people, and we all had our own trucks to go through the course with. But one's coming on the hook. I probably won't zoom. I'm taking him out. What goes wrong with these things is add technology. They kept things simple, no technology, no just drive. Start, manual. Let's break down. What common sense is not prevail. It's white collar land. I'm not, the environment. Well, then kill yourself. The environment would be better. If you really care about the environment, remove yourself. Totally remove your carbon footprint all the way. Don't minimize it. Eliminate. If you want. But don't really care about the environment. Is it all or none? All or none, man. Oh well.